Hey y'all, Karen Denton here, your KSC bidding consultant. Welcome back to my channel. And today I want to talk about the power of subcontracting, how to scale your cleaning business fast. Want to grow your commercial cleaning business without the headaches of hiring full-time employees? Subcontracting might be your best solution. In this video, I'll break down how subcontracting can help you scale your business, win bigger contracts, and increase profits, all without challenges of managing a large workforce. If you're wondering whether subcontracting is right move for your cleaning company, this video is for you. What you'll learn in this video is how subcontracting helps you expand without high payroll costs, where to find reliable subcontractors for your cleaning business, how to structure subcontractor agreements to protect your business, and how to be a subcontractor. The benefits of subcontracting: scalability. Grow your business without hiring employees when you first start. Flexibility. Take on more contracts without being limited by the workforce. You'll have a lower overhead because you won't have no need for payroll, workman's comp, or employee benefits. You'll be able to focus on sales and growth. Spend less time managing employees and more time landing contracts. Become a subcontractor could be your best move. Working as a subcontractor allows you to get steady work, build your reputation, and grow your business without handling sales, client negotiations, or bidding wars. But how can you make sure you get the best deals and avoid bad contracts? I'm even still, I'm a subcontractor. I'm always going to be a subcontractor. If you do construction projects, you're a subcontractor. If you work for a national company, you're a subcontractor. If you work for me, you're a subcontractor. So subcontracting can help grow your business. It can put money in your pocket until you learn how to get your own clients. So the pros and cons of being a cleaning subcontractor: where to find subcontracting opportunities, how to negotiate better pay as a subcontractor, what to look for in a subcontractor's agreement so that you don't get burned, how to use subcontracting as a stepping stone to your own contracts. And so I'm going to tell you why subcontracting could be the smart move. One, you don't have to find clients. The main business handles the sales and contracts. You just show up and clean. Save time and energy, letting you focus on quality work. Number two is steady and predictable work. Many companies have long-term contracts and need reliable subcontractors. Great for building experience and cash flow. Three, lower overhead costs. You'll have lower overhead costs because it's not your contract. You don't have to, there's no need to invest in advertising, marketing, or even sales efforts. You focus on labor and getting the job done efficiently. And that's basically how it is with the franchise. It's the same thing, only you don't have no control over your money because you don't get to negotiate with the franchise. With a subcontractor, you can take it or not take it if it doesn't meet your expectations. And then you can learn the industry from the inside being with a subcontractor. You think they're not going to teach you and you're working in their accounts and stuff, and if they're like me, we want to see you grow. You know, you get to see how larger companies operate. You'll build connections and relationships for future opportunities. Now, where can you find subcontracting opportunities? Cleaning companies, Find bigger cleaning companies and tell them about your service. Cleaning companies, for facility management firms. Reach out to janitorial businesses that handle commercial contracts. Introduce yourself and offer your services. You can find it at networking and also referrals. Join industry groups. Join LinkedIn or cleaning business Facebook groups. Attend local business events. Online job boards and websites. Craigslist, Indeed, and subcontractor directories. Government and corporate supply lists. Some cities and corporations have approved subcontractor vendor lists. Get on the vendor list. How to negotiate a good subcontractor agreement. Number one, you want to understand the payment terms. Is it a per job, per hour, or per square foot? When do I get paid? Is it weekly, bi-weekly, or after 30 or 60 days? And number two, set fair rates. Knowing the going rate in your area so that you don't underprice yourself. Factor in your costs, your labor, supplies, gas, insurance. And then number three, clarify the scope of work. What exactly are you responsible for? Who provides the cleaning supplies and equipment? Number four, protect yourself with a non-payment clause. Ensure you're covered if they don't pay on time. Get everything in writing. Now, how do you maximize your earnings as a subcontractor? Well, first you got to be reliable and professional, because the better your work, the more jobs you get. And that's what I do. If I come across a good, a reliable, and their quality of work is good subcontractor, I keep giving them jobs. Sometimes I get more jobs than they can handle, but I keep giving them work if I find good ones. And then upsell additional services. Offer floor care, deep cleaning, or extra services. Build relationships. A good rapport can lead to higher paying opportunities. Use subcontracting as a stepping stone. Learn the business, then go after your own contracts. It, you make money as you learn and you grow, because you don't never have to stop the subcontracting when you get your own contracts. That just gives you more additional money. So a quick recap of why subcontracting is a smart way to grow. Like I said, you can scale your business, growing with another business. It's not like you work for them. Listen, I had somebody ask me one time, so what that mean? I'm working for you? I said, no, we're collaborating. Collaborating is different from you're working from somebody, because you're setting your own terms. You are still your own business. You just are getting paid from a prime contractor versus you or a client. So have you ever worked as a subcontractor before? What was your experience? Drop a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get more um, information on growing your cleaning business. All right, you guys. So that's all I have for today. And just think smart, because subcontracting might be what you need so that you can have some revenue coming in until you get your own clients. I mean, you can go do flyering, and cold calling, and all that. But if you want to get to the money, find a subcontractor while you grow your business, while you learn your business. That's the best advice I could give you. Talk to you guys on the next video.